Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the new Lexus RX 350. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, on to the video. The RX is one of today's best-selling luxury SUVs. It's Lexus' top earner and outsells all of the brand's passengers car combined. If it were a Toyota badge, it would be the automaker's 8 best-selling models, behind the Tundra pickup. The RX is Lexus' most popular crossover. Sized for family use, it is available as a 2-row SUV or a 3-row SUV, the RXL model. Both configurations come standard with a 3.5-liter V6 that puts out 295 horsepower. There are no changes to the RX 350's interior for 2020. It retains its high levels of quality upholstery, cabin accents, and seat comforts. The arrival of a touchscreen infotainment display is an important update. You are no longer confined to Lexus' awkward trackpad to find your songs, work the navigation, or place a call. The display is available in 8 and 12-inch versions, and it's moved more than 5 inches closer to the front passengers for an easier reach. It makes sense. Of course, a car hurtling down the highway at 70 miles per hour is no place for a wandering cursor, but it typically ends in a stiff and frustrating experience. The RTI is still there if you want it, but the touchscreen is a nice redundancy that we expect most drivers will prefer. That you can now also use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the new touchscreen is a bonus. Amazon Alexa skills are also integrated to the updated system. The RX remains as practical as ever. This roomy SUV sits 5 passengers in a luxurious comfort, and tech update for 2020 make it better integrated and more connected. Specifically the addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces. Cargo space remains smaller than some rivals though. If you routinely need to carry large loads, some of the RX competitors might be a better fit. The price starts at $55,000 US.